Over the past 3 months, the rupee has gradually strengthened against the dollar. Forward premiums have dropped by over 50% within the fiscal year, indicating diminishing confidence in the greenback. The country heavily relies on imports for raw materials for its domestic and exportable products. Higher remittance inflows during Ramadan are anticipated, which could further bolster the state bank's management of foreign exchange reserves and the exchange rate. Pakistan's banking sector is witnessing a surplus of dollars as exporters rush to sell their earnings, anticipating further depreciation of the US currency. The surge in export proceeds, particularly to certain banks known as export banks, is putting pressure on the exchange rate. Currency dealers note a significant increase in inflows of export receipts, which, according to Atif Ahmed, a currency dealer, could have driven the dollar even lower, adversely affecting exporters. Over the past 3 months, the rupee has gradually strengthened against the dollar, closing at 277.93 rupees on Thursday, marking a decrease of around 3 rupees in the interbank market. Moreover, forward premiums have dropped by over 50% within the fiscal year, indicating diminishing confidence in the greenback. Importers anticipating future costs are securing dollars at adjusted premiums for 3, 4, and 6 months to manage their import needs. Banks are adhering to the state bank's policy, providing dollars to importers only if they have sufficient funds in their accounts, thereby restricting imports. Despite the State Bank of Pakistan expanding the list of essential imports, restrictions continue to affect economic growth. The country heavily relies on imports for raw materials for its domestic and exportable products. In terms of reserves, the SBP reported a $19 million increase to $8.04 billion, with total foreign exchange reserves reaching $13.38 billion, including $5.34 billion of commercial banks. Additionally, the SBP expects a $1.2 billion inflow this month from the International Monetary Fund. Looking ahead, higher remittance inflows during Ramadan are anticipated, which could further bolster the state bank's management of foreign exchange reserves and the exchange rate.